Ordering and comparing fractions, what we need to do for this, divide at the bottom and multiply by the top. So we're going to put these fractions in order from largest to smallest. Now to be able to do that, we need to make sure all the bottoms are the same, and we're going to find the common denominator, and we're going to do this by starting with the biggest bottom, which is 6. So the multiples of 6 are 6, 12 and 18. Good, and on to the next one, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. And the next one, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now, if we have a look, we can see they've all got 12 because all these are factors of 12. So this is the number we're going to use for the denominator. So we can write 12. Now the next thing we do is divide this by 4, which gives us 3, and multiply the top number by 3, giving us now 9 twelfths. And again, 12 divided by 2 is 6, times that by 1 is 6, giving us 6 twelfths. And again, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and then 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8, giving us 8 twelfths. And the last one, 12 divided by 6 is 2, and multiply that by the numerator 4, which gives us 8 twelfths. Now we can see here that 9 twelfths is the biggest, so that means 3/4 would be first. And next we've got 2 lots of 8 twelfths, so they can go next. So we would write down 2/3 and 4/6. And then the last one is 6 twelfths, which as we know is equal to a half. So we'd write that down, and there's the correct order. So let's try another from smallest to largest, and we've got to get the bottoms the same, find the common denominator and start with the biggest, so that's 20. So let's multiply that. 20, 40, 60, 80. And the next one, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. And the next one, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And the last one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we can see the denominators are all factors of 40, so that's what we're going to use for our bottom, our denominators. So let's begin. So we've got 40, we're going to divide that by 10, which is 4, and times that by the top. 4 times 3 is 12. 12/40. Brilliant. And the next one, 40 divided by 5 is 8, times that by 3, 24. And the next one, 40 divided by 8 is 5, times that by 2, 10, 10/40. And the last one, 40 divided by 20 is 2, times that by 1, giving us 2/40. So we can easily see here 2 is the smallest fraction, so we'd write down 1/20. Okay, and we have a look, and what's next is going to be 10/40, which is equivalent to 2/8. Write that down. The next one, 12/40, which is equivalent to 3/10. Write that down. And our last one, our largest one, is 24/40, which is equivalent to 3/5. So there's the correct order. When comparing fractions, we sometimes ask which is larger. Even if you know the answer, you have to show the workings out and prove. So 560 divided by 2 is 280. So we know that 1/2 of 560 is 280. Now for the next one, we need to take 720 and divide it by 8, which gives us 90. But that's only 1/8, and we need to know what 3/8 are. So we're going to take 90 and times it by 3, which gives us 270. So therefore 3/8 equal 270, and you can see that the half is the larger fraction.